Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. The title of our today's video is How to send WhatsApp message to your semiconductor company's Facebook lead. So I'm running a semiconductor company, and to promote my company I'm running lead ads, and I wish that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we have to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp. To create this integration, we are going to use Pabbly. It's an amazing automation software. In Pabbly, we have the concept of trigger and action. So for trigger, we are going to use Facebook, and for action, we are going to use WhatsApp. If you want to learn this process step by step, follow me through the screen. So in this video, we are going to understand that how can we send an automated WhatsApp message to all our Facebook leads for our semiconductor business. So I'm running a semiconductor business named Chip Prime, and to promote my business I'm running lead ads, and I wish that whenever I receive a new lead, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to all my leads. For this we have to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp. To create this integration we are going to use Pabbly. It's an amazing automation software. And this is the landing page of Pabbly. Over here we have two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you'll get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in. As soon as I click on sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we want to connect two applications, that is Facebook and WhatsApp. So we are going to click on access now. As soon as I click on access now, it is opening my dashboard. And to start with the automation, I am going to click on this button right over here which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp automation, and I want to name my workflow as Facebook lead ads to WhatsApp for semiconductor company. And now I'm going to click on this button create. After clicking on create, it is opening my workflow window, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the command. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So over here we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the command. And to start with the automation, we are going to select our trigger application as Facebook lead ads, and the trigger event as new lead instant. I'm selecting new lead instant because I want that as soon as I receive a Facebook lead, instantly the WhatsApp message should be sent to all my Facebook leads. If you don't want this process to happen instantly, you can click on new lead also. After selecting my trigger event and trigger application, I'm going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Facebook lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection. But I'm going to click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. I'm going to select my account and click on continue. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now we are going to select the page and the lead gen form. So as you know, the name of our page is Chip Prime. So I'll select Chip Prime. And then the lead gen form as Facebook lead ads form. I'm selecting this form because I want only the leads of this particular form should be sent an automated WhatsApp message. If you want to create this automation for all lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too. After selecting my desired form, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And now it is saying waiting for a webhook response. This means that Pabbly is waiting to capture a response. So we are going to generate a dummy response. We'll open a new tab, search for Meta for developers. After opening the landing page of Meta for developers, I'm going to click on more and then tools. After that, I'm going to select lead ads RTO debug tool. And then it is asking me the page and the form. So for page, I'm going to select Chip Prime. And for our form, I'm going to select Facebook lead ads form. After that, I'm going to click on preview form. And now it is asking me to please fill this form. So I'll just enter the dummy details as demo user, the dummy email as demo@pabblytudes.com and a demo phone number. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on next and then submit. And now it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that our lead has been sent to Pabbly's workflow. So we'll just open our workflow and check that if we have received the lead or not. And yes, you can see that we have received the demo name, the demo email and the demo phone number. This means that our trigger step is successful, and now we'll move on to our action step. For our action application, we are going to select WhatsApp Cloud API. Under action event as send template message. After that, we are going to click on connect. And now it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection, but I'm going to click on add a new connection. And now it is asking me the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So for this, we are again going to open Meta for developers. And this is the landing page of Meta for developers, and now I'm going to click on my apps. And over here you can see there's a temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So if you want to generate a permanent access token, you can check out our YouTube channel because our temporary access token expires in 23 hours. So now I'll just copy this token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID and paste it in my Pabbly's workflow. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on save. And yes, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me the template name. For this, we'll again go to Meta for developers. And over here, you can see it is saying create your own message template, click here. And as you can see that here are all the templates that I have created for my account. And if you want to create a new template, you can click on the create template button right over here. So I'll just select a template from these only. I'm going to select Facebook leads message over here. So I'll just go and search for Facebook leads message. Select my template name. And then you can see that Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. So now I don't have to change this or select this. I'll directly move on to the receptor mobile number. So I'll just map the receptor mobile number. So as you know, mapping means inserting the data from the previous step. And our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Facebook lead ads as our trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the trigger application response only. So we are going to map the phone number. And then it is asking me to map body field 1. So to let you know what does body field 1 means, I'll again take you to my template. So we'll open Meta for developers. And over here you can see this is my template. And over here it is 1 in curly brackets. This means that 1 is a variable in this template and this will change with every new lead. So what I want is that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically this 1 should be replaced with the name of my lead so that all my leads receive a more personalized message. So I want the full name to be dynamic. So I'll just select body field 1 as the full name of my lead. I'll map the full name. And then our action step is successful. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. But before clicking on save and send test request, I'll just replace the dummy mobile number with my original mobile number so that I can show you the response received. I have replaced the dummy phone number with my original phone number. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And yes, you can see that we have received a positive response because it is saying message status accepted. This means that we have received a WhatsApp message. So I'll open my WhatsApp and check that if I have received the message or not. And yes, you can see that we have received a message which is saying hello demo user. Demo user is the demo name that we entered. Here's all the message that we saw in the template message. Thank you and regards. This means that our workflow is successful. We'll just try the workflow once again. We'll go to lead ads testing tool and delete the previous lead and refresh the page. It is really important to delete the lead and refresh the page, otherwise you will not be able to create a new lead or preview the form. And again I am going to select the page and the form. So for page I am going to select chip prime, and for the form I am going to select Facebook lead ads form, and then I am going to click on preview form. And now again we are going to enter the dummy details as test user, the dummy email as test@pabblytudes.com, and the dummy phone number. After entering all the details, I am going to click on next and then submit. And again it is saying your test lead has been sent. This means that we'll directly receive a WhatsApp message now. We don't have to go to our workflow again and click on save and send test request. We'll directly go to our WhatsApp and check that if we have received a new message or not. And yes, we have received the new message with the new name that we entered, that is test user. This means that our automation is successful, and now we'll just summarize the workflow once. So for our trigger application, we selected Facebook lead ads. For our trigger event, we selected new lead instant. We connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. Then we selected the page and the lead gen form. After that, we clicked on save and send test request. Pabbly said waiting for a webhook response. So we generated a webhook response. And then we moved on to our action step. For our action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API. For our action event, we selected send template message. We connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. After that, we selected the template name. Pabbly detected the language code and the template ID. Then we mapped the recipient mobile number and body field 1. And again, we clicked on save and send test request. And over here are the two messages that we received as response. So this means that our video and our automation is finished. And for your reference, I'll just share the workflow link in the description box so that you can clone my workflow and start automating your task. Thank you for watching. Not only these two applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can integrate many more applications. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe our channel for more such automations. Thank you.